Welcome to our next module in our MOOC on Java for Android programming, which begins our introduction to computer programming and the Java programming language in particular. Since this MOOC does not have any prerequisites, we expect learners will come from a wide variety of backgrounds. There will be some learners in this MOOC who have no prior programming experience, while other learners may already know Java and simply want to learn about programming Java for the Android platform. Since some learners have no prior experience, however, the first several lessons of this module start with the very basics of computer programming, while later lessons focus specifically on the Java programming language. The topics covered in this module lay the foundation for all future modules of this MOOC. After completing the lessons in this module, you'll recognize key programming concepts and terminology. You'll also be familiar with the concepts of data types, variables, assignment, and expressions that can produce values. In addition, you'll understand key aspects of printing, mathematical functions, and string processing. Finally, you'll know how to define your own methods that can be reused to perform work for your apps. Depending upon your prior programming experience, some of the lessons in this module may be a review for you, so feel free to move through it quickly if you already know this material.